welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be using one of our Disney SVGs, and this is actually a commercial use SVG. So if you're one of my business members, you can make this t-shirt or put this SVG on anything and sell it. That is something that we're focusing on this year, is creating commercial right usage SVGs for our business members. And if you want any more information on our memberships, check out auntietay.com. All right, today we are making a Haunted Mansion inspired glow in the dark t-shirt and matching hair bow. Now, the hair bow will have a Mickey on it at the end, so you cannot sell anything that has Mickey on it at the end of your production. But you could bling this bow out and still sell it, because this fabric or ribbon is not actually Haunted Mansion pattern. It is its own pattern, and it's really cute, and it's definitely sellable. So you could sell this as a set in big, little, all the things. And but if you want to use this SVG, you do have to be a business member. So let's get going and let's go. Alrighty guys, so I started by cutting out of reflective HTV, one of our SVGs, which is one of my favorites, which is the saying, grinning ghost, come out to socialize. And this is one of those things that only extra Disney lovers are gonna know exactly what you're talking about. But I'm just gonna weed it, use it exactly how you're supposed to. It works just like HTV. And then once it's all weeded, I am going to heat up my Easy Press, and I'm going to iron it onto a t-shirt. My favorite t-shirts I get are at Target. I get the Hanes like high quality ones. In the men's section, you can get like 5 for $22, and they're so comfortable. I'm completely obsessed with them. So I'm just gonna heat this according to the heat guide that I have that's printable on my blog, auntietay.com. And then I'm gonna make sure this is fully cooled off before I peel the plastic off. And once it is, it's good to go. I am obsessed with this shirt. I wear it all the time. Okay, so I've had this ribbon for quite a while. I got it at Hobby Lobby I think I got it at Michael's during the Halloween season. Yes, it's a Celebrate brand. And it's so cute. And when I was making stuff for the Haunted Mansion, I was like, okay, I need to finally use this ribbon, which this ribbon would work great around Halloween time, but if you're a Haunted Mansion lover and you're just going to Disneyland, it would work all the time. So it's really pretty as like these, like the black is actually a felt. It's really textured. I love it. Okay, so this is a tip for when you're doing bows. I just pop a tiny little bit of hot glue on the edges so that it doesn't fray. And then I'm just gonna kind of make an awareness ribbon shape, and then you pinch it to the back with just a tiny dab of hot glue just to secure it so it doesn't move, and then we will do the magic after that. Okay, once that's done, then you kind of accordion the bow so that it looks perfect on the front. And then I'm just gonna use a little piece of black ribbon and go around the entire bow probably 3 times. I make bows different every single time I make them, I swear, but this is probably my favorite. So I just wrap it like 4 times or 3 times, and then making sure you are on the back of the bow, you just put a little dollop of hot glue, and then you continue to twist the ribbon around the hot glue after you cut it with scissors, and then you're good to go. You've got your bow. And then to Disneyfy this even more, we're just gonna use Auntie Bling, and we're gonna use 3 different rhinestones, 2 little ones and 1 big one, to make a cute little blingy Mickey ear. I love giving this touch to anything I make now. It's like a little hidden Mickey, even though it's like right in front of your face, but that is all you need to give it a little bit more Disney love, and you are finished.